Hello there, in this video we are going to see the workspace. Here we are on the home screen. When you open the Adobe Dimension, you will see this workspace or that interface. Here you get three modes: render mode, design mode and home screen. You have not been given much here. Here only you can create a new document, or you can open your recent document or any other dimension file. From here you can create your new document for your size, or you can go to the default settings. After this, our design mode. On the left side you will see a toolbar. By using this toolbar you can create your design or you can create your scene. Then our canvas comes. You can make your design here and you can move your models and adjust your models and build your scene. Then the size of this canvas is given on the top. And there are many camera modes and you have been given render preview here. After this comes our scene panel. Here you can see your current view. For example, if you have selected a model, you will see here that you have selected this model, whether it is graphic or image or any materials. You can see everything in this panel. Below that is our action panel. Here you will find some valuable feature, like if you have select on the environment, then here you will get to see the option of match image. If you have made a design here, then and if you click on the environment light, then you get the option of delete. It means some valuable feature you can see here. After that our properties panel comes. You can change your properties of anything, or you can see the properties. For example, when you select the environment light, you will get the properties of the environment light. If you click on the environment, you get the properties of environment. You can change the properties of anything here. Next is our render mode. Here you will see a canvas where your final image will show the preview while rendering. After this comes on its side render setting and your render status. And our workspace completes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.